of India has announced that on the day of the poll that a tree of plantation should be carried out to all the respective polling stations. So each PLO has given five plants, and also National Highway should be also identified to grow the some plant. Only accordingly, 4 Rasta Kankona has identified the place. More than 150 plantation of the tree will be preserved with the voters and also the chairperson of the Kankona municipality was present, and he is given the plant of growing as per the direction of election commission. Plantation of the tree is required to be grown every policy.
पण आता एक उदक घालपाचें काम कशें करता?
Issue the letter to the PWD and BLO to see that water should be provided, and the precaution and most care should be taken all the tree which is grown.
मॉनिटरिंग PWD करतले
and also deputy collector also monitoring this.
सर दुसरीकडे आता जो पुला कडेन तुमी झाडां लायतले पळय थंय एक तर ते ताडपत्री विकपाचे व्यापारी येता आनी ती झाडां ते माडयतले हेजेर तुमी कितें प्रिकॉशन्स घेतले काय?
आमी झाड जे रोयला इज अवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, and as a deputy collector I will direct the chief officer to remove whatever plastic available there and take the care of the trees.
ओके, थँक्यू.
पाण्याचो जो विशय आसा, हांगा स्कूल आसा, आमचे भुरगीं आसा, तो एक स्कूल आसा. त्यामुळे स्कूल एक्टिविटीच्या टायमाक आमी भुरग्यांक हेडमास्टराक सांगून एनकरेज करतले की हो जो जागो आहा तो ह्या मल्लिकार्जुन स्कुलान एडॉप्ट करचो आणि त्या झाडांची सदांच भुरग्यांक सांगून काळजी उबा लावपाची पाणी घालून. त्यामुळे भुरग्यांचेरूय संस्कार जातले, निसर्गाक उलोवपाचो, निसर्गाच्या जवळ रावपाचो एक भुरग्यांक ल्हानपणा पासून जी आवड निर्माण जातली, आणि त्याच्यातल्यान त्यांचो भावनीक विकास निसर्गा कडेन जो आसा ती नाळ जुळली गेली.